How's it going, guys? It's Tim here with A4 Outdoors, and I've got another video I want to show you. If you've watched the last video on strapping your machine down, we installed the Strapinno kind of in-trailer E-track devices they came out with, it with the new type of thing they put in where you drive over it and strap it down. This is awesome. You leave it in your trailer, you bolt it in, then you just strap it down over the tires. Okay, they have, the new line of straps. Same similar setup, but for the people that do not want to install the plates in your trailer, so maybe you want to use your trailer for mulch and used shovel, whatever, you don't want to put these in there to strap your over the tires, which in my opinion is the best way to strap down a vehicle with tires, is over the tire. That way the suspension can move. But anyway, for you guys that do not want to do it, they also have the regular retractable straps from Strapinno here that have the hooks. Just the normal, this is kind of like your traditional type strap, but it's retractable and you don't have to worry about your extra slack tying it up and everything like that. So this one is the same load strength. It's a 2-inch strap, but it's a 5,000 pound braking strength and a 1668 working load. So it's a little bit higher rated than the E-track straps, just because you've got a hook, I believe, maybe is probably the main thing, instead of the E-track that it hooks into. So what we'll do is, I've loaded the machine already. I kind of pulled it up to the front, which like most people would probably do. They'd pull it right up to the front, put it in park, and now we're going to strap the machine down. So what I'll do is I'll take one. I'm going to kind of show you. It's best to always strap it from all 4 sides, just in case one gives way. You've got 3 extra, and it's just better to strap the machine that way. But I'm just going to kind of show you a way most people probably are going to strap this thing down if they're in a hurry and they have these type straps. So pull right up to the front. I mean, if you've got a winch, a lot of people will pull the winch out and hook it right here. I wouldn't advise doing that. You shouldn't strap it down with your winch, I don't think. But do what you want to do, So basically, I will hook, like most people is going to probably come in here and say, let me find somewhere to hook it up front. What I'll do is I'll take it and hook it right over the top of itself, over the strap. The nice thing about it, it's got this little clip. Once you pull the strap inside it, it's not going to come out because the clip's kind of holding the strap in there. So I'm just going to hook it this way. Like I said, it is going to pull down on your suspension, but most people are going to do it this way. So I'm just showing you to kind of how the nice thing about these straps do. You just hook it under there, pull it down until you feel comfortable, which is not the best for it. There's your one in the front. If you can, perfectly, you can let it go back and just kind of hook one under here, hook it here, and then strap it to 4 corners, which we have eye hooks. We could have done that, but I'm just going to kind of show you the quickest way on the 4-wheeler, and you can do it on the side-by-side, the X3, however you want to do it. So there's one that's going to hold it, and what we'll do is we'll grab the second one. Each box comes with 2. The nice thing about this, it comes in a really nice box, 2 straps, and a little bag to store your stuff in, which is pretty cool. Throw it in your truck. You don't have to worry about the straps separately. It comes with a nice bag to store it. Strapinno. So this is a partner of ours. Their products are awesome. Their straps, I just think the retractable ratchet strap is just awesome. So what I'll do is I'm going to, all right, most people is going to probably come up here, hook it this way. Actually, you'll open your strap up. Actually, I'm going to turn it around that way. I've got the strap out here. So I'm going to take this, hook it there, come back here. You can wrap it or hook it if you've got an eye hook. What I'll do is I'll just hook it for the time being, just to kind of show you how this is. I'll pull that one tight, then I'll get your next one, which I have here somewhere. Here it is. Open it up, hook it on this side, and do the same basic thing here. So we're going to have the tires in the way. So I'm going to run it over like this and hook it in there. It's not the best way because it's going to kind of may fray the strap, but if you've got hooks, that's the best. You know, just hook it on what you use the hook there. All right, so the key is, what is so cool about these things, not only is it like a standard strap, you just don't have to worry about feeding your strap in through the ratchet. And once you're done, you know, unless you cut it, and you can only use your ratchet ratchet strap for one purpose. If you cut the tag hinge, if you need a little bit longer, you're screwed. You're out of strap. So the magical thing about this, which I think it is it's retractable. So your tag winds right back up into here. You don't have to flying around. You know, basically you hook it up, ratchet it down tight, close it, it's locked. So your machine, it's not going anywhere. I don't like pulling down on the suspension in the front. So if we'd use two in the front, I had an extra one, but just for most people are going to come in here and just strap it down real quick. You know, this is the way they're going to do it. A lot of people, I've seen machines strapped down like this for years, and I did it for years. So not my favorite way, but these are my favorite ratchet straps. So I'll put a link in the description. These are the 2-inch wide, and I mentioned the braking strength and all that stuff. So it's plenty for a side-by-side or a four-wheeler to strap down. Definitely advise getting some, trying them out. It's going to make your life a lot easier. When you get to where you're going, it's as simple as opening it, unhooking it. Even if you need, you know, if you don't want to take it off the side, it's boom, it's there. Just leave them. If you leave them, somebody may steal them. But anyway, I would take it off. Just break them loose like a normal ratchet strap, unhook it. Put them in your nifty little bag, and you're ready to go. Once we unhook the front one, you're done. So super easy way, great straps. Check them out. Strapinno. I'll leave a link in the description. Go check out all. They have everything for vehicles down to just smaller ratchet straps. So check it out. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And if this video was helpful, hit a like, and we'll see you next time.